Hello, once again, it is I, Terry. Welcome to Highly Flavored and Favorite Kitchen. We're about to get into something I've been very excited about doing. The cauliflower. The brain of the operation. Alright, so something I've been excited about. I actually tried some manufactured cauliflower wings recently, and actually I was like I'm sorry, I'm sitting here peeling while I'm doing this. This actually tastes really good. I enjoyed them so much so that I was like, you know what, I can do that. And not only can I do that, but I can do it better. So this is what we're about to attempt today. We're about to attempt some fresh vegan cauliflower wings. About to do the thing. About to have so much flavor. About to be highly flavored. So hope you guys are ready. About to get into. I'm looking for my knife. Where is my knife? I found it. All right, so we're about to start cutting on these. We're about to cut on these wings here. I said wings. These aren't wings. Cut it out. So, and like I said, we're about to go ahead and start chopping on the cauliflower here. First off, get past the I don't know, what's this, a root or stem or something? I guess it wouldn't be necessarily a root, but you know what I'm trying to say. Fix your face. Fix your. Anybody ever have their mom tell them fix your face? If you did, comment below how long it took you to actually fix your face. By the way, we went ahead and washed this cauliflower here beforehand, so don't worry. Cauliflower's clean, hands are clean. Oh, look at that. That was a big chunk there. And of course, we just want to cut it up to where you have the nice little florets. Like that, right? Not too chunky. So anyone that are like this big, you want to go ahead and break those down a little. So just go ahead and slice those out. All right, so next thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and start working on our potatoes, our what's going to become our French fries. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll go ahead and cut these all up into wedges. Actually, not French fries. We're going to do potato wedges. Right. Okay, so we have our spices here. Look at that. Our spice ingredients include a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of poultry seasoning of your choosing, a pinch of cumin, and we also added in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and about a 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And what we're going to do is add all those seasonings to our 1 cup of flour. And we're going to also add in that some nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, and a 1/2 pack of sazon. Sazon. Can you say sazon? I may or may not be saying it correctly, but we're adding in 1/2 pack of sazon just for color and also some amazing flavor. Now this is where we add our cup of water. Now, I know it's all dark and stuff. Why is it dark? That's because we went ahead and added some of the bouillon, the remainder of the chicken bouillon, and also we added in about a teaspoon of which one is that one? The sauteed onion bouillon. So we just want some flavor, right? We want that seasoning down deep into our food. And then we're going to take our time. So we're going to do about, and we're going to take our spoon, get that in there, right? All right. A little bit more. All right. Just get this flavor here, right? This flavor, right? If you are highly flavored and favored, or if you're just highly favored by God, go ahead and like this video. Make sure you comment down in the bottom down there, and feel free to tell everybody about this channel. Right? We're just starting out. This is technically the 4th video. My 3rd video, I was having some technical issues getting the videos from my phone to my MacBook. So I'm still working on that. I'm still going to post that video eventually. That was actually a video about making seitan steak, not Satan steak, seitan steak. So I'll make sure I get that out there for you guys, so you guys can check that one out. All right, this is looking really good. What do you guys think? All right, it's looking really good. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start getting our cauliflower coated. I'm gonna go ahead and dip it in the wet. Look at that. Oh my gosh, so sticky, icky. And then we're gonna take it and bring it over there. But I feel like I may have made this batch, what am I trying to say? My batter here, maybe a little too thick. I don't know. We'll see. I know the thing to do is to do one hand and then the other, but I'm kind of like both hands deep now, so we're just gonna keep it going. Oh man, it splashed a little bit. By the way, this batter tastes really good. Oh, that's good. Now, I will say this. So the videos that I watched said that you're supposed to use like the regular cornflakes, but I didn't have regular cornflakes. So what we're using actually is what is it? The Kellogg's Honey Frosted. So we'll see how this comes out. If anything, it should have some really good flavor, right? I think so. All right, so we need like we need to get our pan. Anybody see my pan? Anybody see my pan? One pan, and let's go ahead and use our wax paper. All right, guys, so we got our pot nice and hot, and at this point we're going to go ahead and put our wings in there. All right, look at this. So we're gonna have to turn these midway, and we're gonna go ahead and do this in the clock method. I learned the clock method from Gaz Oakley, Avant-Garde Vegan. Now look him up. Guy really knows his stuff. Has some amazing dishes. Can't wait to try some of them. But the clock method, it tells you, you start off at 12 or whatever, and you put your items in there at I don't know what I'm saying. All right, so, but then you take them and rotate them in the clockwise direction. Really turning out well, guys. I'm telling you, these wings, oh my gosh, it's looking amazing. Wow, look at that. All right, so here we are. We have the completed product. We have our cauliflower buffalo wings. I have this is a non-breaded one. I didn't make enough batter for the entire batch of cauliflower. I didn't realize I was gonna, anyway, here's the non-breaded. Really good. And then we have the breaded, which we breaded it with the cornflakes. In this case, it was the honey frosted cornflakes. I think I may have made an error by using that, but that's what I had at the time, so that's what I used. Oh, you hear it, Christ. This is awesome. Well, anyway, guys, that's been the video. Thank you again for joining us. Thanks for coming into our kitchen. Say hello to Arya in the comments. Yes, her, that loud child who cannot be stopped. Shout out to Kix. What's up, Kix? Paw Patrol. Anyway, make sure you like, subscribe to highly seasoned, not highly seasoned, highly flavored and favorite. Highly flavored and favorite. Highly flavored and favorite. I'm gonna remember my name one of these days.